Welcome to the whitchermath channel. Here we are with a transformations video. Okay, number 3, this is just a practice problem. There's been a few of them, so let's get straight to business. Hopefully you watched the very first video, which goes over all the vocabulary that we'll be using here, because I will not be stopping and redefining anything, or maybe I will. Here we go. So first of all, if I'm going to describe this transformation, we need to have an original, which you could also call a pre-image, and then an image, the copy, the after, if you want to call it that. Okay, so first of all, this is a congruent shape. Okay. This is a rigid transformation, meaning that it uses a congruent shape. The shape stayed the same size and the same shape. So let's pick a point to focus on here. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to call it point A. Now, here's point A on the copy. So for me to get point A from here to here, there's a number of ways to do that, right? There are two ways that are the easiest. That's what I'm going to talk about first. See, I can go up 2, which is y plus 2, which would put it right there. And then I can go this way, which is x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I were to just do that, my shape would look like this. Okay, but the thing is, now it needs to reflect. Okay, it's going to reflect or flip or mirror. Okay, but reflect is the key vocab word we're using. This is called translate or slide. Okay, when we go up and over. And I'm going to reflect over that line. Since this is the y-axis right here, that line is y equals 3. So let's describe our steps. Step 1, I did y plus 2. Translate y plus 2. Then I went right here. Translate x plus 7. That got me to this shape. Then we flipped it, right? We flipped it and ended up here. That flip, we're going to use the vocab. Always practice the vocab. That way, if you ever have a vocab test, you don't actually need to study. You just are used to using it. We're going to reflect it over y equals 3. And that got us there. Okay? Now, there are other ways to do this, right? I could have gone over here first and then up. I could rotate. There are a number of other things I could do here. So the beauty of transformations is there are many possible answers. They can all be right. And if you understand the vocab, you can compare your answer to someone else's and actually decide that you're both right and everything's just fine. Okay? So due to the time constraints of a video, I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes, and I've done it. That's the answer I'm going to give. But make sure you understand that there are lots of different ways to do this. Just use the language. And that's it. Thanks for watching the whitchermath channel. This video on rigid transformations. with more to come. Take it easy.